Good hunting and good investigating. Tell everybody again what you just said. And hold on, before we start, I need everyone sitting nice and tall. This is really smart thinking that you need to learn, that you need to listen to, right? So that you can learn it too. Okay, tell us again.
In the this, my, it's like there's no vowel. Like baby, it's like it tells the A tells the Y to say like something tells them to say a different word, like a different sound.
So I hear what you're saying, Angelina. You're saying just like in our silent E rule, the silent E oftentimes makes the vowel say its name. Possibly, that could be. What do you notice about the vowels? How many vowels do these words have?
Like 2 or 3 counting.
And how many vowels do the I words have? Carlos, listen please.
Just 1.
Just 1. Okay. Really good thinking. The words that sound like E have at least 2 vowels. The words that sound like I have 1 vowel. Let's see. Thank you for sharing that. Daniel, come on up here for a minute. Okay, Daniel's going to share something that was really smart that he came up with. Are you ready to listen? Okay. Okay, tell us.
Fluffy had 2 syllables and Sky only had 1.
Can you clap it for us and show us? Listen.
Fluffy, Sky.
So Daniel is thinking that maybe the words that sound like E at the end have 2 syllables, and the words that have an I sound have 1 syllable. Daniel, can we test your idea and see if it works? Can you step to the other side for me and you're going to clap for us, okay? Let's clap with him. I'm going to read it. Let's read them together and try clapping to see if this rule works. Do all the E words have at least 2 syllables? Let's see. Ready? Fluffy, very, gently, donkey, baby, strawberry, happy, Teddy, Tommy, Candy, Grizzly, Safety, Sammy. Did that work?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it for the Y though, or for the I words. Okay, we're thinking that they might have only 1 syllable. Ready?
Yep.
Sky,
Bye.
my.
Yep, it's right.
Angelina, do you remember what you said? You said that these words, come on in, Alex, these words have 2 vowels, at least 2 vowels. Oh, you guys, can you remember something? Dan, you might remember this. Come on in, Alex.
I know.
Carlos, you can head on down, okay, bud? Do you remember when we learned about syllables and I told you that every syllable has a vowel sound? Remember that?
Yeah.
Does that make sense with this rule then?
Yeah.
If these words have at least 2 vowels, the Y at the end makes an E sound? You got it. My goodness, we figured it out. Turn your bodies over here. Let's write this down. And then we'll talk a little bit about the oddballs, okay? First graders, we're almost done. You've been very, very patient. But watch this last rule. Ready? Words that end with Y and sound like E have at least 2 syllables. Words that end with Y and have at least, when I say at least, does that mean there can be more than that or less? More, okay. At least, they have 2 or more. Words that end with Y and have at least 2 syllables, 2 beats to them, make an E sound. And then we're going to say words that have 1 syllable that end with Y make an I sound.
Okay, E.
No, an I sound. Turn your bodies, just your heads, and see our objective today. Did we figure out the ending sound of Y? Most words that end with Y and have 2 syllables make the sound of E. If they have one syllable, they make the sound of I. Did we search for words? We did. Did we sort our words? Did we share our ideas? Now,